Imagine a world where your city doesn't just run, it thinks, where traffic never clogs, drones fly in perfect formation, ambulances arrive before you call, and your home adjusts itself before you even speak. Welcome to the era of 6G, a future not defined by speed alone, but by intelligence woven into every corner of life. A future where the way we live, move, work, and heal is reimagined entirely. So, hey folks, welcome back to NIIT, where tech, finance, and growth are made simple. Today, we are diving into a future that's no longer science fiction, it's already being engineered. But this isn't just about the next G, we're taking you inside a living, breathing simulation of a smart city powered by 6G. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. We'll break it down one intelligent street, one sensor, one drone at a time. Alright, let's start with the basics. You have heard of 4G. You're probably using 5G. But 6G? That's the next leap. Expected to roll out by 2030, 6G isn't just faster, it's intelligent. 6G will offer speed up to 1 terabyte per second. That's 100 times faster than 5G. Latency almost non-existent, just microseconds. But here's the real kicker. It's not just about speed. 6G enables real-time connectivity between everything. Phones, cars, roads, drones, and even traffic lights. It's the foundation of what experts call the Internet of Everything. Let's travel to Aurora City, a futuristic smart city fully powered by 6G. In this city, intelligence flows through every corner, from underground pipes to flying ambulances. Let's walk through a typical day in this city and see how 6G reshapes everyday life. You wake up, but it's not just your alarm buzzing. Your AI-powered health assistant has already analyzed your sleep patterns overnight. It detects signs of dehydration and adjusts your morning. Lights shift to boost alertness, your smart coffee machine ups the caffeine, shower adjusted for optimal minerals based on your biometric data. And here's the cool part, your data is sent anonymously to the public health grid, helping predict local illness outbreaks in real time. You step into your autonomous vehicle, connected via 6G to everything. It talks to other vehicles, road sensors, smart signals, even weather drones. Midway through, it reroutes to avoid an accident that hasn't even happened yet. But the system predicts it from driver behavior patterns. Well, that's the power of sub-millisecond latency. In a 6G world, your car is no longer just a vehicle. It's a decision-making system on wheels. A few blocks away, a man collapses on the sidewalk. His smartwatch detects a heart attack and triggers an emergency drone launched in just 5 seconds. It arrives before a traditional ambulance could even leave its station. A remote doctor using 6G's tactical internet performs a haptic guided procedure from 10 km away, feeling the patient's pulse through robotic gloves. Alright, let's lift the hood and look at what's powering Aurora City. Terahertz waves. These go beyond what 5G can handle, offering massive speeds, reconfigurable intelligent surfaces. Smart panels on buildings reflect and amplify signals. AI-driven self-optimizing networks. These learn how you move, where traffic builds up, and how to reroute. And then there's the digital twin, a real-time digital copy of the entire city, constantly updated. Companies like Nokia, Samsung, and China Mobile are already investing billions into these systems. 6G also helps us go green. In Aurora City, AI-managed solar farms predict energy demand before it spikes. Smart trash bins alert drones for pickups, avoiding fuel-heavy garbage trucks. Even agriculture is transformed. Real-time sensors track moisture, nutrients, and pests, reducing water and pesticide use by over 40%. Disaster strikes. A fire breaks out in the industrial zone. But before a signal call is made, heat sensors trigger an emergency AI hub. Within seconds, fire suppression drones launch. Responders arrive with AR helmets powered by 6G. They see building schematics, fire spread predictions, and evacuation routes all in real time. Even entertainment is smarter. Your AR glasses switch languages at the museum. Holographic concerts adjust music based on crowd emotion. Even your food is tailored, with allergy alerts synced to kitchen AI systems. This is the world of context-aware intelligence. 6G doesn't just connect, it understands. And the numbers, they are real. 1 terabyte per second speed, that's not a dream. Samsung research hit it back in 2022. Less than zero point 0.1 millisecond latency. That's from ITU's 6G vision. Imagine pressing a button and it's instant. By 2030, over 100 billion devices will be connected, from sensors in factories to your glasses, shoes, and roads. And the economic impact, it's huge. We are talking about an estimated $12.3 trillion globally. But it's not all smooth. We face real challenges with 6G. Privacy, who controls real-time health and behavior data? Energy demands. Massive networks require greener chips and smarter power use. Access, can developing nations afford this infrastructure? Signal loss. Terahertz waves struggle with walls, weather, even air moisture. But researchers are already working on solutions from quantum encryption to reconfigurable surface tech. So, what does life look like in a 6G smart city? It's faster, yes, but it's also smarter, cleaner, and more human-centric. And as we inch towards 2030, this isn't just a dream. This is the blueprint, and the future, it's already in progress. If you found this vision inspiring, give us a like, comment your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech deep dives.